Hey.
Louisiana shit.
Hey guys, so today I'm breaking out. And I wanted to just film like a chill, get ready with you guys. Like, get ready with me, with you guys. So today I'm gonna be getting ready, you know, doing my makeup. Today I'm off. I actually don't have to work for the first time in like 10 years. So that's really awesome. I actually have time to film and time to have a life. So I forgot to put my mic on. We should probably do that. Okay, I think we're good. You can probably actually hear me clearly now. Today, we're gonna be doing a get ready with me makeup video. And this is weird. I've never actually filmed at my vanity before, and I have a swivel chair and I'm just like spinning around in circles. So we're gonna get started with that. So yeah, let's do it. So this is the Pacifica Crystal Primer. Got this at BeautyCon and 10 out of 10, love it. So we're just gonna put that yeah. So we're gonna prime the eyes. I literally ran out of all my eyeshadow primers, so I'm using this one I got in like 4th grade. It's from Hard Candy. I don't even know if that brand exists anymore. So we're just gonna... Now, what am I doing today, you might ask? That I need to get ready because I have a day off. Hang out with a friend. Also, my hair is wet, so for the eyes, I always start with the eyes because if there's any like fallout, then it won't ruin my face makeup. Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. This is what I've been using every day, even for work. And y'all know I work at Sephora. I should probably be doing some extravagant looks, but we're sticking with the peach palette. I'm just taking white peach, and I'm just using that to set the primer. And I like pack this on. You can use like setting powder for this too. You know what? I should switch lenses. Hold on. Okay, we are taking the Morphe M330 and the shade Puree, this one right here. And I'm just gonna take that and just, you know, put that in the crease. And if I like literally was not like a makeup person, this is what I would do every day. The worst part is like trying to get both sides to be even. That's pretty good. Okay, so next we're taking Luscious, which you can see I've dug my nail into a couple times, and just put that on my lid, and there you go. And then like as you can see, that's like super messy, so I just take my Morphe brush and I just blend out the crease. And then I take my tattoo liner. I just create like a thin line. There we go. So liner is on. So that's the eyes for now. We're gonna move on to the face. We need to talk about this. So I originally got obsessed with the brand Milk because of this Blur Liquid like matte foundation. But if y'all know me, you know I do not like matte like whatsoever. Like no part of me likes anything matte. I decided to invest in the Sunshine Skin Tint SPF 30. So you just do that and then you go like this and you just get it all over. Now with a regular foundation, I barely even use one pump, but for this stuff, I use a lot. You can see the coverage is not amazing. It's just a skin tint, but you can see the glow that it gives my skin. And my all-time favorite liquid Camouflage from Catrice. So we're gonna pop this under the eyes. It's just so lightweight and dewy, and like y'all know I hate a matte finish, so this looks beautiful under the eyes. Okay, and for all of these pimples here, we're gonna use the all-nighter. Goodbye, kids. Am I the only person who feels like full coverage things don't actually even cover? Like, I could literally put on 6 layers of Fenty and you could still see my pimples through it. I don't know why. That's supposed to be full coverage. Really? It didn't cover anything. Alright, y'all. Laura Mercier. Doesn't come out. Like, I just hit that. Nothing came out. I literally used this entire thing. I literally just got it. So, the first thing I'm gonna set is my under eye and my nose. So pretty much anywhere that I put concealer, I'm gonna just like set that. We're gonna be bougie, and for the rest of the face, I'm gonna set it with my YSL
Touche Éclat de Lumière Divine.
This is literally like a highlighting powder, but it's like a setting powder. Like it just makes you like glow. If I say like one more time in the next like 10 seconds, and just please click out of the video. Like, so we're taking my favorite brush. This is the Morphe M507, and we're going back the crease shade. We're just gonna take this and we're just gonna put it under the eye. Literally, I'm telling, oh my gosh, I just put the brush right in my eyeball. Okay, so now we're kind of all over the place. My face looks way darker than my neck, but we're just gonna ignore that today because whatever. So for brows, I'm too lazy and too poor to buy another Brow Wiz, even though I need one. So we've been living off of the brow powder in soft brown. Mini Chocolate Soleil bronzer. We're just gonna warm up the complexion. I love bronzer. I could just use like an entire pan of it in one like use, like in one day. We're gonna go bougie on the blush. So we have Kevin Aquan, Helena blush, Amrezy. Because my skin is super dry, we love a rose water spray from Mario Badescu, so. Okay, so next is lashes. We're gonna do the Lily lashes for Sephora collection. These are the style London, and I'm using the House of Lashes lash adhesive. If you can't tell, I'm like moving around a lot. I'm like about to pee my pants, but I'm like, I have glue on my lash and I just can't get up and go. So, sorry about that. So we're just gonna, these are definitely stabbing like in the corners. Makeup Forever Excessive Lash. This is my favorite. So I lost my Fenty Gloss Bomb. I could literally die. Like I lost it, I think in New York City. So we're gonna use this Sephora thing. It tastes like bug spray, I would say. And here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for stopping by my channel today. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more makeup videos, let me know. I haven't done them a ton recently, so thought I'd get back into the beauty community, you know, just like doing it like in the beauty community. So there's that. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't already, click the notification bell if you haven't already. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Love you all so much, and that's all. Have a great day, and see you guys next time. Bye.